Metaforce is at the nexus of all our programs and the core driver of our roadmap's development. Millionaires Club member 25%.
Creativity is an essential part of our community.
Today, we're introducing the royalty NFT.
When the doors of our metaverse will open, you will see the practical application of creativity there.
This is for my wife.
I have been challenged, I have been inspired by these people all over the world.
It's not a scam project.
Its metaverse is anti-pyramid scheme.
One of the best things of Metaforce is that it is decentralized. Your money is secure.
Globally, from India, Indonesia, Pakistan, Philippines, and different parts of the world.
It's really working.
Everyone can make dream come true.
Wherever you are in the world, so come and join this project.
I want to encourage you to come and join us. Come in the community and trust me, your life will never be the same.
If we can do it, you can too.
Start now, not wait.
Force, we are with you.
We are with you. Force.
Let's go out there and spread the word. Everybody needs force.
Metaphor!